7 ways to add value to yourself and make more money. That is what I'm talking to you about in this video. 7 ways to add value to yourself and make more money. You can't get more time, but you can create more value. Every one of us have 24 hours, but in those 24 hours, we put certain things in them that make us to have more value than somebody else. 2 people born the same day, the same year, in fact, born in the same condition. They grew up, went to the same school, went to the same college, and then everything. By the time they are 20, they have different capabilities and different value system. They have different value that they have built up that people can pay them for. One, in fact, they may even learn the same course, may even do the same course of study in school. The one may have built his own value to a certain extent, and the other did not. So the one that have built up value is paid more, or is more valuable, or is more respected than the others. So you can't get more time, but you can create more value. So in the time that they have outside of school, one is learning some soft skills, some social skills, some digital skills, and is learning and is seeing how life goes. Is selling relationship, is learning how to relate with people and many other things, so that when he backs the certificate, he is able to cope in the society much more than the other one. So let's look at these 7 high valuable skills, 7 ways to add value to yourself and make more money today. Number 1 thing you need to know is that we get paid for value. We don't get paid for time. It is the value that we bring to the table that we get paid for. A value we bring to the table, the knowledge that we have, not just coming to sit on a chair and marking time. And this is what people working in 9 to 5 need to know. Add value to the establishment. Number 2, you will add value by learning to work primarily on yourself. That is the best way to add value. You learn to work primarily on yourself. You see, some time ago, I started working as a lecturer in the university, and I had a deadline. There are certain things I need to do to submit to the department and the faculty and the university. And I had a deadline, and that deadline was a short one. Now, I could not finish the task during the day. I took it home because I needed to submit it the following day. All through the night, I was on it. As I was on it, I recalled while I was a student that I studied through the night. So I just changed gear. I changed my gear to that student time, and then I was able to flow in it. So I added value by learning to work primarily on myself. And that was what happened. And the following day, within 3 hours of working to the midnight, I completed it. And the following day, I think that night, I sent it out to the officer that was supposed to receive it. So number 3 way to add value to yourself and make more money is you have to become an above average person. Don't stay at the average level. Become an above average. Many people are below average. Some people are at the average level of their capability of what they can do. Now, just a few people goes beyond the average. So go beyond that average and you are going to be surprised at the value you can bring to the table. Then you need to learn to work harder on yourself than you do on your job. Don't work harder on your job, work harder on yourself instead. Work harder on yourself. Learn a new skill. When you have perfected one skill, learn to upgrade that skill. Learn the advanced skill. So you are working on yourself to learn. By the time you do that, you know more than everybody on that same role with you. And automatically, once that is there, whether you are given the position officially or unofficially, you are ahead. And then you can think of what you can do with that knowledge and with that skill for yourself. Number 5 is that you have to know that life gets better not by chance but by change. Life gets better not by chance but by change. You see, the life that we live in does not get better by chance or by just anyhow. It is by change. You decide to change some things that you're doing, and then it will affect your life. Now, I'm making this video on the 5th day of January 2025. life gets better. Not by chance, but by change and by choice. Don't live your life to change your choice. Move ahead. Push ahead. Then number 6 is that you have to learn to handle all kinds of events, all kinds of winters. You have to learn to handle all kinds of winters. There are some winters that will not want to allow you to go out. Some winters are so snowy that it feels as if you are going to break down. And there are winters in real life that drives you crazy. So you learn to have to handle all of them, and then you step ahead. Then number 7 is that you don't need to wish for less problem. Instead, wish for more wisdom. Many people are there, all they want is that they want less problem. And the solution they are looking for is not in less problem. The solution is in more wisdom. So what do you do today now? No matter the challenge that comes your way, look forward to more wisdom to be able to solve and surmount the problem, whether it is in your marriage, whether it is in your career, whether it's your personal development, whether it's your finances. Don't wish for less problem. Wish for more wisdom. Problems will always be there. And in fact, somebody has said problems are the meat of champions. If you can use a particular formula that you devise to solve your own problem, you can monetize that solution by offering to help others to solve their own problems too. So here you have the 7 ways to add value to yourself and make more money. If you follow these 7 principles, I can assure you, you are going to make more money. This again is Dr. Olubengade TV. On this channel, I teach you how to make money both online and offline. Everything I teach on this channel is directed to your capability to make money. I make a simple and honest boast that if you come along with me on this channel daily, thinking and taking in the value and the content I produce, and you do that for 6 months without fail, your life is going to move forward. It's like taking a course. It's like having a certificate in money making. And I'm telling you, you are going to be better than the way you came. And the good part is that if you can take all this information in 6 months and just start 1 or 2 of the processes I mentioned, you are going to be a talk of the town where you are. Your life is going to be transformed. If you watch this channel for 6 months and your life is not transformed, then this channel is not for you. Go and check another channel. But I am sure your life is going to be transformed. So, if you are new here, subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the link of this video, and drop your comment in the comment section below. Until I come your way in the next one, this video popping up by the side from my channel is the next you need to see to add value to yourself. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.